I am going to be reviewing this luxury Dopp bag, this luxury toiletry bag from the Republic of Florence. And I want to say I had a tough choice here of deciding which one to go with. Now, before I explain why I made this choice, let's start with what happened to my old one. So, this is my old Dopp bag. I bought it maybe 2 years ago from this company called Rains. And Rains' whole positioning is basically completely waterproof products. But what I found is after about 2 years, the bottom started to erode. So, it really wasn't built to last a lifetime. The other issue I had with the Reigns one was it was a little bit too small. Although it was around the right size, it was felt like I was trying to cram things into it too much. So in comes the Republic of Florence one, and their whole slogan is basically built to last a lifetime. The other key thing here is it's full grain leather. So basically the highest quality leather that you can have. And the other thing that stood out when I was comparing Republic of Florence to other luxury dot bags such as Allen Edmonds is that this one came with a patina and in particular a blue patina. So it made it a little bit more distinctive, a little bit more iconic. And I believe they achieved this by using some sort of vegetable tanning process or something. Now we take a look at the interior. You can see they're stressing that it's handmade in Italy. You get this little tag here. You also get a number of different inserts. So this one here says Republic of Florence timeless handcrafted leather bags made to last a lifetime. And then there's more details on the back. So certified genuine authentic Republic of Florence, handcrafted in Florence using only the finest Italian leathers and materials, 100% chemical free leather production, designed to last a lifetime, full grain, vegetable tanned Italian leather. So what I find with this is it's great. It's the perfect size. I feel like I can put medicine in here. I can put my electric razor in here. I can put two electric razors in here without it breaking or stretching. I've used it on a number of trips already, short trips, long trips, etc. And so far, there's been no signs of wear, and hopefully, it'll be a number of years before I see any sort of signs of wear. So if you're looking for a travel toiletry bag, you're going to pay, it looks like on their website right now, 149 Australian dollars. Now, when you add the shipping and where I am right now in the Philippines, the import taxes are very high. I think my taxes were effectively around 50%, 40%, something like that. Now, if you're in other countries, the taxes, the import duties are not going to be that high. So I paid a hefty premium here in the Philippines to get this because I just wanted something that was going to endure instead of going through something every year or every couple of years or every couple months. And that's what you pay for to have something handmade in Italy, even though I believe the company is in headquartered in Australia. They really put some effort into getting the manufacturing down pat in Florence.